Hey there, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of the daily grind and you're looking for ways to make money from home? Well, you are in luck because in this video I'm going to share with you some great tips on how to make money online as a Nigerian. And if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejigba John. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. So guys, if you find this helpful, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Whether you are a student, stay at home mom or dad, unemployed, or just looking for a side hustle, these ideas I'm going to give you in my video today is going to make you to have an extra cash or have a good side hustle in which you can combine with your work, with your 9-to-5 work, and you are going to make a comfortable living. And you know, any video I drop on this platform is actually legit, and it is something I have done, and it is something I've recommended to people, and people are doing it and are actually making money. So in today's video I'm just going to show you some ways you can use to make this money online. So the first site I'm going to tell you is, first site hustle I'm going to give you today is known as freelance writing. If you have a good writing skills, you can make money by writing for blogs, websites, and online publications. There are many websites that can connect you as a freelance writer to clients. You can also create your own blog and monetize it through ads or affiliate marketing. Sites like Fiverr can connect you, or Upwork can connect you to a client who is going to pay you in dollars, a high-paying client, and you deliver. And by delivering, you just write. That is what freelancing is all about. Freelancing is for you to write. So you can also want to open your own blog. To create a blog is actually easy, and in my subsequent video I'm going to show you the step-by-step ways in which you can use to create a blog and a website, and you write, monetize it, and you will earn. Number 2 is known as online surveys. Yes, you can make money by simply answering surveys questions online. There are many survey sites that will pay you for your opinions, like Metro Opinions. You have survey option, you have plenty of them, Swagbox, such as Swagbox, Vital Research, etc. These sites are going to pay you just for your survey that you will take, where they will ask you simple questions, and what you just do is you have to provide them with the straight and correct answers. Number 3 is known as affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money by promoting other people's products or services. All you do is to sign up for an affiliate program and promote their products through your website or through your social media account. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. And I hope, guys, you all know the meaning of what affiliate marketing is all about. Affiliate marketing is just like a referral, where you refer someone to purchase something through you. You understand? So that means you can sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon. We have Expert Naira, we have Digistem, we have a lot of them in Nigeria and all over the world, where in my subsequent video I'm going to show you how you can make money as an affiliate marketer in Nigeria. So guys, after signing on this website, what you do is you have to share in or promote your affiliate link of a product, and if someone purchases that product through your affiliate link, you tend to earn a commission. Hey guys, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button. Please like this video also and share it to your friends, so that they can also comment and feel valued, and so that I can also grow. And number 4 on the list is known as online trading. You can make money by trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, and other financial assets online. However, this will require you to have some knowledge and experience. So make sure to educate yourself before investing your money. Make sure you educate yourself, because you cannot just jump into cryptocurrency and you put in your life savings, and if you don't know what to do, and maybe it is a shit coin, your money got lost, you feel you have been scammed. But trading is actually not a scam. So you can invest in online trading by buying stocks, Apple stocks, you have Google stocks, and the rest are cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. But make sure you educate yourself before investing. And the last on the list, after you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, is known as online tutoring. This means that if you have a skill or an expertise in a particular subject, you can make money by tutoring other people. That means you can make money by teaching other people what you know online. And there are a lot of platforms in which I've even dropped some in my video, which can connect you to students, where you can teach them. After teaching them, you will make money. That means they pay you for you to teach them. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that it can also help me grow. Until I see you in my next video, thank you.